word ladder. In this, we have given a begin word and the end word, and we have to return the number of sequence for making the begin word into the end word. For the heat, we can change heat to hot. From hot, we can change to dot, dot to dog, dog to cock. Means there are five words, five sequence we have to make to convert the begin word to end word. In the begin word hot, we can change any character in this word like H. We can make heat to HIT. So that's way we can make heat to HAT or HOT. So HOT is in the list. Yes, HOT in list. Then change HOT. We can change it as AOT, BOT, or DOT. DOT is in list. So likewise, we have to change the word and return the sequence number. So before writing the code, let's understand the approach.
So for this, we will use a queue which contains pairs. Pair for this string and a value integer. So this is string and this is integer. Words present in a word list we will store in here. So hot dot dog lot log cock. This is unordered set and this is queue. First we will put a begin word in this queue which is hit along with a value which is 1. So after putting the value, so we will check queue is empty or not. So it first we will check temp str. Temp str is the string in the queue which is hit, and temp val which is the value present here. So as we have written the value, we will pop this. After popping, we will check if temp str is equals to end word is cock. It is equal, no. So we will return the further code. For the further code, we will take temp str and the size of temp str is 3. So for I is equals to 0, I is equals to 1, I is equals to 2. For I is equals to 1, heat means I. So first alphabet of the temp str will get replaced from 1 to Z. A to Z will get replaced by A to Z. So I means first character of the temp str will be AIT, BIT, CIT up to ZIT. Are these characters present in a UMAP? No. So we will move on to the I equals to 1. So I equals to 1 means the index 1 of the temp str will get replaced from A to Z. So HAT, HBT, HCT, HOT, HZT. Is anyone is present? Yes, HOT is present. So as HOT is present, we have to replace HOT from this UMAP and have to push the HOT in the queue with temp val plus 1, means increment of the temp val. Temp val is 1, so increment it by 2. So we have put in this value. Again check for I is equals to 2. For 2 means third variable of the temp character. Third character of the temp str. So HIA, HIB up to HIZ. There is no match. So this is the first step. For the second, we have to check it is empty. No, queue is not empty. So temp str. Temp str is the first character. So temp str is hot and the temp val is 2 and this is get popped out. Is temp str is end word? No, hot is not equals to com. So the length of temp str is 3. So we will start the loop from I equals to 0 up till n. 1, 2. For I is 0 means first character of a temp str is get replaced from A to Z. So AOT, BOT, LOT, DOT, ZOT. Which one is matching? Yes, DOT and LOT is matching with the UMAP characters, which is DOT and LOT. So DOT is get erased from this map and added up to here with a increment of the temp file, which is 2. So there will be 3. DOT, then LOT. LOT is also matching, so LOT is get erased and here LOT is written with a temp val plus 1, which is 2, so we will have to return 3. For I starting from 1, we have to change this character, means O. So HAT, HBT up to HZT. No match found. So for I equals to 2, we will change HOA, HOB up till HOZ. No match found. So let's move on to the third part. For the third, Q is empty. No, Q is not empty. So temp str is DOT and temp val is 3. Is temp str is equals to end word? DOT is equals to com? No. So we will move on to the further code. So DOT, the length is 3. So I starting from 0, I starting from 1, I starting from 2. First is change. So AOT, BOT up to ZOT. Which is matching here? No. No match found. So this character will change for I equals to 1. So DAT, DBT up to DZT. No match found. So for then move on to I equals to 2. So this will get changed. So DOA, DOB, DOG, DOZ, and DOG is found. So this will get erased and add up to here with the increment in temp file, which is 4. So, and this is get after checking the value, this will get erased. So for the next will be for the fourth part. For the fourth part, is it is empty? No. So temp str is LOT and temp val is 3. Is temp str equals to end word? No, LOT is not equals to com. So the length of temp str is 3. So I starting from 0, I starting from 1, I starting from 2. First character is changed from A to Z. So AOT, BOT, ZOT. Nothing is get matched here. So change the next character, which is LAT, LBT, LZT. No match found. So change the next character. LOA, LOB, LOG. Yes, LOG is found. LOG is found, so it is get removed. But before doing that, we have to pop which is selected here. So temp str is selected, so it is get popped. Then this process will be done. So as we found LOG is get erased and pushed into here with the increment in a temp file. Temp file is 3, so here we will return 4. For the fifth part, we will have is Q is empty? No. So temp str is a dog and temp val is 4. So we have put the values here in temp variables, so we have to pop from the queue. So Is temp str equals to temp file? Means dog equals to cock? No. So we will have to start iterating and changing the variables. So I am starting from 0, I am starting from 1, I am starting from 2. Change I first character from A to Z. So AOG, BOG, COG. Yes, COG present in here. So as COG is present, COG get popped out and COG get incremented up to here with a increment in a temp file. Temp file is 4, so fifth. So check for I equals to 1 means DAG no match found. For I equals to 2, DOA DOZ no match found. So for the sixth iteration, is Q is empty? No, Q is not empty. So temp str is log and temp val is 4. So we have put the values in temp factor, so we have to pop out and change the variable. For log we will aog bog. We don't have any variables remain here, so this will get false, this will get false, this will get false, so there will be no match found. So let's move on to the seventh. As in a seventh part, is q is empty? No. So temp str is cog, temp val is 5. Is temp str equals to end word? Means cog is equals to end word? Yes, cog is equals to end word. So return temp val. So 5 will get written. So this is our answer 5. So let's code this.
After understanding the approach, make an ordered set. This will contain word list. Make a queue which contain pairs. Pair of string and integer. Push the begin word and 1 as int value. While queue is not empty, string temp str equals to q dot front temp str q dot front dot first and int temp val will contain the q dot front dot second. As we have stored the value in the temp variables, we have to delete the q front. So q dot pop. So before moving forward, we have to check is the temp str equals to end word or not. If it is equal, then we have to return the temp val. If it is not, then write a for loop of link temp str dot length in a char temp2 store the temp str current character. Why this is temp2 is here? Because we have to store that particular character. After performing the operations, we have to again add this temp2 character in a temp str string. So the operation is for char ch starting from a to ch less than or equals to character z comma ch plus plus. So in the temp str of that character stored the particular ch means stored the variables from a to z and check it in the umap. So if umap dot find temp str is not equals to umap dot end means we have find the string in the umap. So q dot push. So push that string along with the increment in the its temp file. So temp str is put along with the temp file which is incremented plus by one. So this is pushed. So erase it from umap. So umap dot erase temp str. After doing that, we have to again make it we have to make the temp str which is before, which is unchanged. So add the temp to in temp str because we want to make it the initial temp str. So temp str of I equals to temp2. By doing this, we can get the temp str before performing this operation because before performing the for operation. So likewise, after this, after the queue is empty, means the last word is checked, we have to return 0. Means if all words are checked, means there is no sequence is found. No sequence of word is found. So return 0. So let's run the code. Unordered set. There is a problem. Pairs. It has to be pair. Test cases are accepted. Submit the code. Successfully submitted. So thank you.